Hey guys, so I don't know what I should say. Maybe welcome back. Yeah, welcome back. Welcome back actually to myself because I've been missing in action for a while. But I want to show you guys what I have here. I was about to delete some stuff on my phone and I realized I have a few videos here. And this is me packing lunch for work. So I just want to share it with you instead of deleting it. So this is what I was taking for lunch. I did some saute, some string beans with some carrots, and that is salmon I have there. I had some peppers. I'm not a big fan of just eating onions like that, but you see that that lemon slice? Yes. So I had that for lunch. So and this is me here. So I'm packing it and I'm trying to be really good at this thing. So I'm packing it even before the day before. And then I realized I had some what is it, some shrimp actually. Yes, I realized I had some shrimp in the fridge, so then I put it in it, and I actually rest it in the fridge so that in the morning I'm just gonna take it and put it in my bag and head on to work. So this is the next day here. This is me here. So I'm in the habit of trying to eat healthy, so I'm doing some potatoes. This is sweet yams, I think they call it yams. Okay, so this is really good for you. Okay, it's better than Irish potato. Irish potato is actually just starch and it's really not so good for you. So I'm gonna put that in the oven. I'm just putting, like, sticking it, like just taking the what is it I have? I think it's a, yeah, I have a knife. So I'm just taking the knife and just piercing all over it. And then I'm gonna sprinkle it with a little bit of salt and some olive oil. And then I put it in a foil paper and wrap it up. And then I'm gonna put it in the oven. So I had that. I'm trying to remember now that I'm doing the voiceover. What did I have it with? And I can't remember. So I'm thinking maybe I had it with some leftover salmon. I don't remember, but there I go with the olive oil. All right. So I'm gonna sprinkle some of that on it, and we're gonna put that in the oven. Yes, guys. Listen, if you don't have good health, you have nothing else. So no matter what it is, spend that extra money to eat healthy and to eat really good. Okay. I actually put. It looked like I put. Oh yeah, I put a clove of garlic in there as well. Okay. So you see, there I go with some salt. I use sea salt there. There we go. Wrap it up individually, and then I think I put it in a foil pan. Yeah, there we go. And then I put it in the oven. There it is. Yes, so there I go in my oven. Yeah, I need to clean my oven, by the way. I really do need to clean my oven, but anyway, that's besides the point. So there we are. So that's now. So after I put that in the oven, that's when I came from work, and I'm having leftover of what I ate that for my lunch. I'm gonna eat that for my dinner. Okay, so this is what I'm having for dinner, and so I put you can see I put some salmon there. Yeah, there was extra salmon, so I think I had the other salmon on the potatoes for the next day. Okay, so yeah, so I'm putting some that's the rest of the shrimp. I have that there. And what is that? Yeah, this is corn and red beans. Yes. So sometimes I make a salad, corn and red beans, So that's it. I'm gonna put that away. And that's it. And then I realized I had rice there, and I put some rice on the plate as well. But no, I did not eat the rice. I put it down and everything. I warm it up, and I did not eat the rice. All right. So I ate healthy. All right. Yes. So I feel good about that. I ate, and I'm like, you know what? I don't need to eat that rice. My body don't need all that food. So then I end up just putting the rice in the bowl with the beans and the corn. Yeah, so so that way we could save space and just wash the pot and do all that. And when I don't want to wash the pots, guys, I just put it in the fridge. I don't know if you do that, but that's just lazy me doing that sometimes, and sometimes I do that, and that's my confession right here. So now I put it in the bowl so that we can just put it in the fridge. So there we go. So I think I'm actually warming that thing off. Yeah, I think I'm warming up my food right now. So there I am. So this is the next morning, and I'm getting ready to go to work. Yes, I'm getting ready. This is what I'm wearing. And now I'm gonna, for breakfast, this is what I'm gonna be having for breakfast. I made my oatmeal. My last video I showed you how I made my oatmeal, so I was running a little bit behind schedule. I usually put it inside my coffee mug, so when I get there, you know, in between somewhere, somehow I could have my oatmeal. And I make it like really, you see that is cinnamon stick that I put inside there. Yes, so I make it really like watery. I didn't want it thick, I wanted it really watery. So yeah, so that's it, guys. And that's what my 2 days look like of me getting myself ready for work, and after work what I do when I get home. And this is my bag here, all packed and ready to go. And thank you guys for coming back to my channel. Love you guys so much. Do have a blessed day, week, month. Greetings, blessings. Bye bye, guys.